Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Techdeckset skateboard is probably one of the most versatile and exciting ways to experience the thrill of skateboarding, whether you're a seasoned pro looking for a new challenge or a complete beginner eager to learn the ropes. These miniature marvels offer an incredible level of detail and functionality, replicating the feel and performance of their full-sized counterparts in a compact and accessible package, making them perfect for practicing tricks, honing your skills, or simply enjoying some creative fun anytime, anywhere. Number 5. Techdeckset Shop Fingerboard Bonus Pack. Unbox the ultimate fingerboard experience with the SK8 Shop Bonus Pack. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Featuring authentic graphics from the biggest names in skateboarding, these mini decks look just like the real thing. Customize your ride. Build and personalize 3 complete fingerboards with interchangeable parts and cool stickers. Ready to shred? Learn new tricks and become a fingerboarding pro. Visit techdeck.com for tips and inspiration. Perfect for kids, collectors, and skate enthusiasts aged 6 and up. Start your collection and elevate your game today. This pack comes with multiple decks, wheels, tools, stickers, and more to build and customize your collection. What we like. This one comes with multiple decks and parts to build your own custom boards. If you are looking to customize and build your own fingerboards, this is the perfect set for you. It's great for beginners who want to experiment with different setups. What people say. The boards themselves look really sweet, and I've tried doing many tricks on them, treated them rough, and they've held up perfectly so far. You do get 3 complete fingerboards, so if you lose one or if it breaks or anything, you have several backups, so it's a very cheap way of getting into that hobby without too much sacrifice. A Techdeckset Shop bonus pack comes with 6 boards. This does not mean that you'll be able to skate all 6 boards at once. As you can see in my picture, you'll have enough to have 3 boards fully assembled. You'll also have 6 sets of wheels, 24 total, a tool, some stickers from both the brand of board and Tech Deck, as well as enough screws and lugs to make the 3 boards and have leftovers if needed. Number 4. Techdeck DLX Pro 10-Pack Fingerboards. Get ready to build an epic collection. This pack includes 10 fully assembled pro decks from your favorite brands. You don't have to choose, you can collect them all. These aren't just any fingerboards, they feature real graphics from the biggest names in skateboarding. Ride with the style of Element, Plan B, Almost, and more. Experience the thrill of real skate companies with these official fingerboards. Every detail, from the grip tape to the bushings, has been meticulously recreated. Take your skills to the next level. Grind and ollie on these boards with Tech Deck obstacles and playsets. Expand your world and discover new ways to play. Looking for the ultimate gift for kids ages 6 and up? These are fantastic toys for boys and girls who love collectibles, mini skateboards, and endless fun. They make great stocking stuffers or birthday presents. What we like. Get a massive collection of 10 fully assembled fingerboards with authentic graphics from top skate brands. If you are a collector or want to have a variety of pro-level boards right out of the box, this is the ultimate choice. It's ideal for those who want to jump straight into shredding with official gear. What people say. The Techdeckset Skateboard offers a realistic and detailed design, closely mimicking real skateboards. It features durable construction, making it suitable for both display and actual finger skateboarding tricks. The set includes various accessories and interchangeable parts, allowing for customization and extended play. Number 3. Kidsdream Finger Skateboard Park Kit. Introducing the Kidsdream 8-piece skate park kit, designed for endless fun with mini finger skateboards. It's the perfect gift for anyone looking for a unique and engaging toy. This set includes 8 modular ramp parts that can be combined in various configurations. Create different skate park scenes to challenge your skills. Get started right away with 3 included fingerboards. Please note that the designs of these mini skateboards will be set randomly. Practice and improve your finger coordination with this exciting toy. It's a fun way to develop dexterity and control. Crafted from environmentally friendly ABS plastic, this toy is 100% safe for all users. Enjoy hours of playtime with a durable and secure product. What we like. This set offers a complete skate park experience with 8 combinable ramp parts. If you want to create your own fingerboard courses and practice tricks in a dedicated park environment, this is the one. It's perfect for imaginative play and honing your skills with a ready-made setup. What people say. The set itself is decent and looks as it did in the ad. Easy to put together. I used the picture on the box. This is a great starter kit. We love that there's room to add on more ramps. Number 2. Magneto Complete Cruiser Starter Skateboard. Experience the ultimate cruising experience with this board, inspired by the laid-back surf scene. It's perfect for both short trips and relaxed rides, offering a cool and stylish way to get around. This board is designed for riders of all ages, offering a compact size that's easy to carry. It's the ideal choice for fun on the go, whether you're young or young at heart. With its versatile double kicktails, this board makes learning new tricks a breeze. Add a touch of surfy style to every move you master. Built to last with tough 9-ply maple and featuring eye-catching astronaut graphics, this board is as durable as it is stylish. The superior grip ensures stability for all your adventures. Enjoy a consistently smooth ride thanks to its quality urethane wheels and ABEC 5 bearings. This learner-friendly board even comes with a sticker pack and skate lessons to kickstart your journey. What we like. This cruiser skateboard is designed for a smooth and stylish ride, inspired by the surf scene. If you are a beginner looking for a board that's easy to handle, portable, and fun for relaxed cruising, this is an excellent option. Its compact size makes it perfect for on-the-go adventures. What people say. Overall build quality seems pretty good. The wheels are 51mm. The grip tape isn't overly abrasive. You can upgrade every part as your child gets better. The bearings are pretty meh, but actually makes the board more approachable since it doesn't go too fast. Came with a skate tool. The deck is about the same thickness as an adult 7-ply maple deck. The board is on the heavier side, weighs about as much as an adult board. Very nice build quality, great option for a kid's first board. Deck quality is pretty solid, wheels could have better bearings but they seem smooth and it's perfect length board for a young kid. Excellent. My child loves this and it is a sturdy one. Number 1. Skateboard with printed graphic grip tape. This versatile skateboard is perfect for beginners and pros alike. It offers the ideal balance of convenience, safety, and stability for anyone looking to get into skateboarding. Crafted from sturdy wood, this cruiser is surprisingly lightweight. It's your perfect companion for outdoor adventures, easy to carry wherever you want to skate. The deck is made from durable maple wood, providing strength and stiffness. You'll experience enhanced traction and better control while riding. Designed with aluminum alloy trucks, it offers excellent control and stability. Enjoy smooth rides for cruising, carving, and freestyle skating with its cool graphics. Looking for a gift for a skating enthusiast? This wooden cruiser skateboard is an excellent choice. It's ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. What we like. This skateboard offers a perfect balance of convenience, safety, and stability, making it great for beginners. If you need a reliable and easy-to-carry board for cruising, carving, or freestyle, this is a solid choice. Its sturdy construction ensures a stable ride for anyone wanting to explore skateboarding. What people say. Works well and the grips on top helps a young learner. The graphics and design are phenomenal and gets all the kids in the neighborhood jealous you're riding on Minecraft lore. Wheels are built to be slow or even going downhill, which this mom appreciates. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.